So good morning students, welcome once again your chemistry section. So today start with your next topic. The name of article is your chemical properties of alpha amino acids. So basic alpha amino properties characteristics is responsible for your primary amines. Okay. Under the primary amines react with as a particular oxidizing agent in the oxidation reaction and primary amines is also react with nitrous acid, that is also formed with primary aliphatic amines, and next is your primary aromatic amines. So under first reaction, that is your oxidation reaction with primary amine, what will happen during the reaction? So here, that is oxidation reaction under with suitable oxidizing agent. So primary amines are oxidized with oxidized agent, that is your KMnO4, and that is hydrolyzed with acidic medium to form a aldehydes or ketone. So you can see here reaction. Here use the primary amine, that is your ethylamine and isopropyl amine. Under oxidation process use KMnO4 further hydrolyzed with acidic medium to convert into acetaldehyde plus acetone. So you can easily see use the primary amine, not here secondary and tertiary amine. You just use for the primary amine, ethylamine and isopropyl amine under the oxidizing agent KMnO4, and after it product formation then further react with acidic mediums to convert into acetaldehyde and acetone. Okay. Next is your reaction with nitrous acid. So under this reaction, what happened? They form the all three types of amines, that is aliphatic as well as aromatic, react with nitrous acid under different conditions to form a variety of product. But here use only the primary aliphatic amines and primary aromatic amines. Not here use the secondary and tertiary amines. Okay. So first is your primary aliphatic amines. Under this, when these primary aliphatic amines react with nitrous acid at very low temperatures and to form the primary alcohol and nitrogen gas as accompanied by a brisk apheresis. You can measure here nitrogen gas like a brisk apheresis. So you can see here, that is your ethylamine react with nitrous acid under mild condition, that is a temperature low 273 Kelvin to 278, and to form here ethyl alcohol, that is CH3C2HOH, and that is also right in the form C2H5OH plus nitrogen and water molecules. So next is your primary aromatic amines. So under this condition, when this primary aromatic amine is used for a structure like aniline. So you can see here aniline structure in screen. When the benzene ring structure substituted with a amine group on the one position in benzene ring structure, that is your aniline. So this is react with the nitrous acid under the ice cold condition and to form benzene diazonium salt, and this reaction is also known as diazotization reaction, and this is important reaction for the exam point of view as a competitive. This is also known as diazotization reaction because aniline react with HCl to form aniline hydrochloride, that is you can see here hydrochloride molecular formula, that is benzene attached with NH3Cl negative, and further this is react with nitrous acid HONO in ice cold condition. So that is formed into benzene diazonium chloride, and this is your molecular formula for structural formula for benzene diazonium chloride, Na2Cl negative plus 2 water molecules. Okay. So student, next topic is your peptides. So peptide is under the protein concept. So here peptide states that peptides are the compounds which formed when the two or more molecules of alpha amino acid, here when two or more molecules of alpha amino acid that's combined that are combined with the loss of water molecules and they link with the help of bond is called peptide bond. So here basically peptide bond here then peptide formation with when the two or more molecules combine of alpha amino acid with loose one water molecules, and these two molecules of alpha amino acid link with the help of bond is called peptide bond, and peptide bond is your CONH. This is the peptide bond. When the free amino group at one end of the molecule is known as N-terminal and one is a free carbonyl group at the other end is called C-terminal end. So you can see here one example states that peptide when the two molecules of alpha amino acid combine. So here use glycine and aniline, the two molecules of alpha amino acid. First one is your N terminal because one end is the free molecules of amino group, so that's why they called N terminal, and second group is the last end of terminal free with your carbonyl group, that's why they called the C terminal group, you see terminal end. So here dot representation for the water molecule removal to alpha amino acid and they are linked with a peptide bond. So under the reactant is converted into the product formation by the loss of water molecules. You can see here in product formation underline dotted representation for peptide bond. So this is your peptidation bond. Here CO bond with nitrogen and hydrogens to form the peptide bond. This is your peptides. Okay. So when peptides is classified, you have been classified in different categories: oligopeptides, polypeptides and protein. So under oligopeptides contain 2 to 9 amino acid or alpha amino acid. Okay. Under oligopeptides contain 2 to 9 alpha amino acid. Polypeptides contain 10 to 100 alpha amino acids, and in case of protein that is contain more than 100 amino acid. Okay. So under the polypeptides that is contain 100 10 to 100 alpha amino acids, and the name of any polypeptide starts from N-terminal residue. Okay students, so thank you and have a nice day for today's session.